Namaskar friends, I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from astrodev.com. Today is the 8th day of Navratri, and this day is committed to thee, devoted to thee, or ascribed to thee, Ma Mahagauri. Mahagauri means the fair colored one. And in the same way, the form of and appearance of Devi is very auspicious and soft. In her appearance, she is mounted on a bull. You must remember that the first form of Devi, Shailputri, was also mounted on the bull, and I already told you, bull is the symbol of stability. So, at the initial level, she was very stable to start her journey, and today, after removing all the negativities around her and around us also, she has also become stable. She removed all the negativities, hurdles in the form of Kalratri. Now she is appeased and she is satisfied with her journey and she is feeling stable. So she is mounted on a bull, and in her four hands right side, one hand is in the posture of reassurance, Abhay Mudra, and another hand she is holding trident, and the left side she is holding a tambourine, which is also called damru in India, blown like this, and another hand is in the Varmudra. She is giving the blessings. In some other forms and as per some other traditions, she holds lotus or rosary also in her hands. But the most prevalent I have already described by me. She is wearing the white robes. All her clothes are white colored, and she is pure white in complexion, like moon, like milk, like kund flower. In this way, her beauty has been described in our scriptures. And the story about her is the very inspiring and mysterious. What happened, as you must remember yesterday, the Devi Parvati, in the form and appearance of Kalratri and Kali, killed all the demons, Sumbhani, Sumuchand, Munda, Dhumraj, and Raktibij. So she became very black with the anger, and Shiva started to her divine consort. Shiva started to tease her with the black in the Hindi or Sanskrit Shama Kali. Then she felt very aggrieved, and she left Shiv and went to give very long penance. And after penance, the divine deity Brahma appeared before her, and he advised Kalratri, Kali, or Devi Parvati to immerse herself into the Mansarovar lake, take bath in the Mansarovar lake. When Devi Parvati took bath in the Mansarovar lake, then and she came out, her complexion became pure white like milk or moon. Oh my God, miracle has happened. And what is the message behind this story? Actually, problems always come up and crop up in everyone's life. And you should fiercely fight with the problems, with your enemies, with all the hurdles and bottlenecks. You should fight them with full force and vigor. But after removing them, you should not carry the bitterness of that time. It should be pleasant enough, and you should take bath in your lake of mind, your mind, and become fresh and become Mahagauri. This is the message of the story of Mahagauri. So on the Ashtami Tithi, Mahagauri is worshipped, and Ashtami Tithi is very important in the puja and in the whole Navratri. There are so many reasons. As per astrological traditions, Durga is the deity of the Ashtami Tithi. Every tithi, every Hindi date or Panchanga date or Vedic Panchang date, there are 15 dates, and 15 dates in the bright half and 15 dates in the dark half, for dark for night. So the eighth tithi or Ashtami tithi always come in the middle of the fortnight. Seven tithis are this side, seven tithis are this side. Eighth or Ashtami always comes in the middle. So it is the divider, and the Ma Durga is the controlling deity, Adi Devi Deva of the Ashtami Tithi. So Ashtami Tithi is very important in the Durga Puja. One more thing, on this day, Vam Marg and Dachin Marg, Tamsik or as well as Satvik, both the pujas in the left way or right way, both the pujas are done for the Devi Durga. The Vam Marg or left way of Shakti cult does puja in the night of Ashtami, and the Dachin Margi or Satvik or pure form or right way of worshipping Shakti, they do in the daytime. But the Dachin Margi also can do puja in the night time, but they should not follow the Vam Marg unless they have been trained in this that way with a proper guru. Another tradition is that little girls or small children up the before teenage जो है, these girls are worshipped and fed on the Ashtami Tithi, especially in the North India. This tradition has come from the Punjab, and it is now prevalent in the whole of North India and even in some cities of South India. And it is called Kanya Pujan. Kanya means unmarried girl or little girls. Ideally, the age of the girl should be 8 years, because it is said Ashtavarsha Bhaved Gauri. But the age of the girl may be between 2 years to 11 years. Okay, she should not be more than 11 years, or she should not be less than 2 years. Okay, and with them some boys, sometimes 2 boys called Hanuman and Bhairav, or sometimes only 1 boy called as Hanuman is also worshipped and fed. So the number of the Kanyas or girls should be 9, who represent 9 Durgas, now Durgas. All the now Durgas are worshipped in the form represented by those 9 girls. In some households, this tradition is followed on the Ashtami Tithi, and in some tradition it is followed on the Navami Tithi, means tomorrow. Okay, so whatever you do, you may do, but do it with the complete devotion and really feel that the Devi Durga has come in the form of those girls. Then only you will be benefited. What you should offer to the Devi Durga on this day? The kheer, the porridge, is very, very beloved to the Mahagauri. You should prepare it with milk, and if you are on the falahar, the diet of fruits, then you may add dry fruits into this or sabudana into this. But if you can eat, you can drop rice into it, and that it will be proper kheer of rice and milk. Okay, and another thing, halwa puri and black chana. These things are also traditionally offered to the Ma Mahagauri, and then after offering to her, these are fed into the Kanyas as well as taken as a prasad. Now let me tell you the mantras for the Mahagauri. Bij mantra, which is most powerful, it is Om Shrim Klim Hrim Vardai Namah. And the other 2 mantras are Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu महागौरी रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Another mantra is Om Devi Mahagaure Namah. And last mantra, which is only the form of Mahagauri, it is Shwet Brish Samarudha Shwetambar Dhara Shuchi Mahagauri Swam Dadyat Mahadeva Pramodda, which means the Gauri, the Devi, which is mounted on the white bull and who is wearing white cloths and who gives pleasure to the Mahadev, may be very auspicious to me, and she should offer auspicious things to me. So white color is very beloved to Mahagauri. So if possible, wear white color clothes on this day while worshipping Mahagauri. Another thing just I forget to mention, there is a spice called nutmeg. In Hindi it is called Jaifal. You should add powder of this into the prasad of Mahagauri because it is very beloved to her. Probably you might be knowing that the Devi Sita, Ma Sita of the Ramayana, had worshipped Mahagauri for her marriage, and she got the Lord Ram, Bhagwan Ram, as her husband. So it is advised that for the unmarried girls, if they want to do some puja for good husband, they should worship Mahagauri. It is very beneficial. Another tip, very important tip I want to tell you, that if you are not having children, then for that husband and wife both should worship Mahagauri and offer bananas and coconut to the Mahagauri, and after offering to her, just leave it and next day take it as a prasad, and both should eat. It creates a lot of fertility and background for the healthy children. Okay. And last tip by me is that just take a silver coin and put it into a milk bowl or something like this or glass, and place it before Mahagauri, and keep and recite Bij mantra of Devi at least 108 times. And next day take out the silver coin and place it in your money place. You will see very good results from this. And although I only give 2 tips, I have already given 3 tips, but I want to give you another tip, 4th tip in this video for you people. The last tip is that take a bowl of curd, a small bowl of curd, and mix ground black pepper into it. And after mixing, spread into, just throw the drops of it into your whole household, or even your office or factory, and every negativity of in that surrounding will be cleared. I will immediately feel the benefit of that positivity. In the astrological tradition, Mahagauri rules planet Rahu. So if you are afflicted with the Rahu problems or anything related to Rahu, or you want to appease Rahu, you should worship Mahagauri. Regarding yoga and tantra tradition, in the last 7 videos I have mentioned the different chakras for the different devis, but in this video I am not mentioning any chakra, because chakras related to last 2 devis are beyond our physical body, and it cannot be tutored in this video. You should contact some wise guru. After mastering all the 7 chakras, he will guide you about the chakra related to the Mahagauri. Okay. So let the positivity of Mahagauri befall upon you. Let auspicious beautiful Mahagauri be pleased with you. In this way, I am stopping this video. Namaskar. I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from Astrodhyam.com.